Hello everyone. So here's how, according to me, TomBerkenmeyer.com, this is my interpretation, what I've been practicing for over 10 years, how to add money and health to our lives. And feel free to ask anything you'd like, even if you're watching the recorded version, I'll come back and answer. Or you can private message me as well, doesn't matter. So first, get involved with a product that adds a health to people's lives, weight loss, health, digestion, regularity, good energy, overall boosting the immune system and equipping us so that our natural healers can heal us on a daily basis. Whatever it might be, that's a pretty big umbrella. Adding health to our lives. Get involved with a company that has a product that does that. So at the end of the day, you're going to be leveraging a company for their product and their paycheck. And you can also come out with your own product too. You can do a combination of both. So that's the first thing. You got to have a product that actually helps people add real health to their lives. Real health. Like building their immune system, and then everything else that happens, weight loss and so on, is a symptom, a byproduct of actually getting healthy and getting a stronger immune system. Okay, so that's step number one. Step number two, you start asking people to find out who's open and who'd like to consume that product with you and have their own customer experience along with your own customer experience. So that's the second part, and that's pretty simple. That's just asking, hey, I've been getting healthier with XYZ. I think it's really cool. You open to taking a look and checking it out? And so most people say yes. Ask me how I know. I've been doing it for 10 years. Most people will say yes, they're at least open. And then from there, I send them information, and they're either into it or they're not. And that's it. And there's no emotional attachment to the outcome of that whatsoever. So that's the second thing. Step number one is you get involved in a company that has a product that actually adds a health benefit to people's lives. Number two, so that you can leverage that product and their paycheck, you just start finding out who's open. Versus pitching, it's the opposite of sales. The opposite of sales and pitching is finding out who is open. And so that's what I've been doing for over 10 years now. And it's really as simple as just asking point blank. Nothing weird, nothing tricky, no bait and switch, no Trojan horse. Just something along the lines of, hey, I've been using this product that's got me feeling pretty good. I'm super healthy. I recover from my workouts more quickly. Would you like to check it out? See if it'd be a thing for you to try. If not, no big deal. It's a pretty cool way. Find out who's open and give everybody an out. If you don't want to do it, no big deal. Totally cool. And then that takes down all those walls, those barriers, and then people are like, they'll say, yeah, I'm open, I'll take a look. Because then it's okay if they're not interested after they look. As you said, if they're not interested, it's no big deal. It's totally cool. So that's how you do it. And there's more nuances in that, but that's the general rule of thumb. And that's how you add health and money to people's lives. Both of them instead of one or the other. That's how you add both. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty sweet deal. So if you dug this and you want to see what I have been doing, the specific company to add health and money to people's lives that I've been in for over 10 years, talk about a rock solid source of support. I'm as rock solid as they come. If you want to see what I'm up to, you just private message me. And to use what I just showed you in this video, if you're open to seeing what I've been doing for over 10 years to add health and money to people's lives organically, then just ask me and I'll give you some information, and if it's a good fit for you, great, and if it's not, it is no big deal. Okay? Alright. So I'll hear from some of you soon. Bye for now. Mwah.